So we just got official news that QMB has been approved by FIBA as a local for Gilas Pilipinas. Tapos at the same time, SBP already confirmed it. Kasi at first, diba, nakuha natin kay QMB that he is a local. SBP had to confirm and ask FIBA if he's a local. That's also good to go. One surprising thing here is that when Tiebreaker Times released this article that you can see above or below, it depends how I edit it, was that Coach Tim said this line: "We want to see how long we can go with this team, but we have never been averse to making changes. It's just that the continuity idea was paramount to us." So biglang may kabig na not averse to making changes. He's been adamant about keeping the same 12 lineup kasi 'di ba alam naman natin lahat, for those who've been following Gilas, that Coach Tim doesn't really like to tinker around with his 12 or yung pool na meron na siya already, no? And he also said here, "We'll take a look at the lineup and try to make tweaks here and there. We won't do a wholesale change and look for 8 more guys." And then he said here that they're looking to add 2 more other players, to discuss the possibility of adding 2 more players to the pool. Kung sino may dalawa na yon, hopefully it's maybe a Renza Bando, maybe a SJ Belangel, maybe a Jordan Heading, could sana Justin Baltazar, Matthew Wright, who's been out of the radar, but who knows, right? Sana it's someone outside the PBA camp or someone international or hindi dadagain. But this is a welcome development na he welcomed QMB with open arms. So kita naman natin dito that Coach Tim is willing to make changes as long as it benefits the national team. And yeah, yun lang naman. I thought na Coach Tim might take a while to say na he has to earn his spot in the roster, but no, he's been open to having QMB, and that for me is a good enough development na Coach Tim might, he just might make changes if needed. See you next time, guys. Peace.